In this video, we're going to talk about intonation, which is part of pronunciation.
Extra English practice.
Intonation means when you change the pitch, which is this, or the volume, so the loudness or quietness of your voice.
One way we use intonation in English is to emphasize a word or an idea. So in a typical sentence, we emphasize the content words. These are the words that carry meaning. And we de-emphasize the function words, which are the grammar words, the words that just make the sentence complete. But sometimes you'll break these rules and you'll emphasize a word regardless of its role in the sentence. And we often do this to correct or to clarify something. We're going to give you a lot of examples of that in this video.
I didn't say you were a good dancer. I didn't say you were a good dancer. Wow, Larissa, you're a really interesting dancer.
Thanks, that's so nice.
Well, I didn't say you were a good dancer. I didn't say you were a good dancer, but Julia thinks so. I didn't say you were a good dancer, but Julia's amazing.
Did you tell Tommy I'm a good dancer?
I didn't tell him you were a good dancer, but I said you were a great friend.
I'll take that, I guess.
I didn't say you were a good dancer. I didn't say you were a good dancer. I didn't say you were a good dancer. I didn't tell him you were a good dancer. A wolf stole your purse. A wolf stole your purse. Larissa!
Yes?
A wolf stole your purse.
A wolf stole a purse?
A wolf stole your purse.
Misha, a wolf in town? Are you sure it wasn't a dog?
Listen, a wolf stole your purse.
Okay, wait. Are you saying a wolf stole my parcel?
No, a wolf stole your purse. It's crazy.
Did it eat my purse?
A wolf stole your purse. That's all I know. A wolf stole your purse. Listen, a wolf stole your purse. No, a wolf stole your purse. A wolf stole your purse. So that was a few examples of how you use intonation to correct someone or to clarify something when it's not clear.
If you like this, please share it and subscribe and watch more of our videos on extraenglishpractice.com. This is unbelievable.
Happens all the time. Those wolves.